Now, this guy, we didn't look at his picture. He's PSR B0329-54. And he's only rotating 1.5 times per second, which is not all that much, but we need him in our little experiment we're going to do here, okay? And then we had the Vela pulsar. You remember the Vela pulsar. So that's that guy. But that's a little too fast for what we're trying to do, so we're going to slow that down, okay? So we're going to put the millisecond guys in there. The ones you just heard, here they come. Some whales.